You ever wonder how many steps there are in building out a workshop in GHL? I've broken it down into 10 steps. Create the product, create the coupon, create the funnel, create the tags, create the session group and channels, create the Zoom meeting, create the session event in the community, create the ICS resources. Those are the things that add to your calendar. Create the emails where those ICS links are going to be, and then create the automation. 10 easy steps, right? No. Whenever you're creating each of these things, it isn't just as simple go create the product. You have to think about what is the copy associated with that product? How much am I going to charge for that? If you have more than one store, which store is it going to go in? If you have a funnel, how many steps are going to be part of your funnel? If you're doing tags as a way to know which service was purchased, what's the name of the tag? That's probably the easiest thing. That and creating a coupon code is probably the easiest part of this process because it doesn't take much to perform those steps. But when you're creating the copy for your emails and your product and your landing pages, which are part of your funnel, it takes a little bit of time and effort and realizing that these things have to be done in a specific order. One of the things that is challenging is knowing the order and then what's the best way to create those things that you need if you're not a magician when it comes to being able to leverage GHL. I'm going to start a course where I'm going to go over each of the steps in the order that they happen to be able to build this out. Plus, I'm going to help you figure out how do you do the copy? How do you do the images? How do you do all these things that you need to do in order for you to maximize your investment in GHL? Are you excited? I'm excited. 10 easy steps with 20 or 30 more steps on top of that. We're going to have some fun. I look forward to having you all sign up. I will be releasing how you sign up for those within the next couple of days. I've got to spend my time to build that out myself because I haven't done it yet. I look forward to seeing you all sign up. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know.